Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy body scrub. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 1 cup of granulated sugar, which provides excellent exfoliation. Next, measure out 1/2 cup of a skin-loving carrier oil, such as fractionated coconut oil or sweet almond oil. For that delightful scent, have 1 teaspoon of cotton candy fragrance oil ready. Finally, grab a few drops of pink or blue food coloring to achieve that signature cotton candy look. Now let's get mixing. In a clean bowl, combine your 1 cup of granulated sugar with the 1/2 cup of carrier oil. Stir these 2 ingredients together until the sugar is fully coated. Then, add your 1 teaspoon of cotton candy fragrance oil, ensuring it's well incorporated. Finally, introduce a few drops of your chosen food coloring, mixing until you achieve a beautiful, even hue. Remember, a little color goes a long way. Achieving the perfect texture is key for a great scrub. If your mixture seems too thin or oily, gradually add a tablespoon or 2 more of granulated sugar until it thickens. Conversely, if it feels too dry or crumbly, incorporate an extra teaspoon of your carrier oil. You want a consistency that is moist and holds together, similar to damp sand, but not overly greasy. This balance ensures effective exfoliation and easy application. Once your delightful cotton candy body scrub is complete, transfer it into a clean, airtight container. This helps maintain its freshness and prevents moisture from getting in. Store your scrub in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to preserve its quality for several weeks. When using, always scoop out the desired amount with a clean, dry spoon to avoid introducing water into the jar. Enjoy your luxurious, homemade scrub 2 to 3 times a week for wonderfully soft and smooth skin.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.